today's video we are playing Flood Escape Extreme Mode. I really hope you enjoy my suffering trying to complete this. It's really hard. Oh, by the way, we're gonna have 5 lives in Extreme Mode, and let's get right into the challenge. Oh my god, why did I press that? Guys, wish me luck. I might rage. Well, here's room 1. That was an easy button. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. I really want to do this. Let's go. Now another easy button again. Oh my god, stop falling. Oh my god, just let me go. Oh my god, finally. Well, another button acquired. Oh my god, why did I fall? I'm dead. Well, so long, cruel world. 1 life down, 4 more to go. Better cook this round. I might need to slap myself in the head if I don't cook this round. Oy. Am I gonna cook this round or not? I hope I can cook this round. It's gotta be obvious I could cook this round. Well, I'm ready to try again. Wait, why am I saying again? Well, it's time. Let's see if I'm gonna cook this round or not. Well, the goober is back for another try. Come on, door, I want you to. Come now. Come on. Finally, let's go. Easy button again. I hope I don't mess up this. Okay, never mind. This is another easy button. Woohoo! Please don't fail like last time. Come on, let me climb. Okay, finally. Again? Nah, okay, finally I got up correctly. Okay, a 3rd easy button. Let's go, again. By the way, I wonder why I keep on saying again all the time. Okay, I hope I don't drown. Whew. Don't fall. Let's go. Easy. Let's go. Wait. Oh, okay. A 4th easy button. And boop. Let's go. Oh, this is going to be another easy button. Again. Just like all the time. Right? I predict the future that I'm gonna beat them. No, why did I fall? No, let me get up. No! Gosh, dang it! Oh, well, you want the slaps. Okay, I did the slaps. Okay, now another try. Okay, another try again. Well, let's see if the goober could get this. this time? Why did I just say get this time? I mean, okay, let's just go. I hope you really liked that beatbox I did while I was trying to travel all the way to the elevator. Well, here goes nothing. Let's try again. And the door opened by itself. Let me do, I never even did the Harry Potter spell bet. Yeah, but another easy button right over there again. Okay. Oh. Okay, another second easy button. Okay, I hope I predict the future this time. I hope I clutch. Just like I'm gonna clutch the water's ankles. Okay, so, wait. What? Okay, another easy button. Third button. Easy. Okay. Okay, it's time. Oh, I'm in the water. But too bad, too sad. I escaped the water. Elbows of water. I mean, I like drinking water. So, wait. No, don't fail. Why am I so low? Whew. I hope I don't fall. Yeah, I'm dead. It's a long, cruel world again. Guys, do you really think I'm gonna really cook again? Because I really want to beat this challenge. But it's like 1% chance of beating. Yeah, it's just really hard. Just like I mentioned in the beginning, alright? Hey, let's go! Have you hit the subscribe button? Because I really want you to subscribe. Please subscribe. I really want 30 subscribers. I'm not even sure if I really have 30 subscribers. So can you please put... Bad grammar these days. Hit the subscribe button because that would be a huge pleasure. Thank you. Well, it's time to get my 4th attempt. And I am definitely gonna cook this stupid room. Okay, I am ready. I already know the really easy buttons, so that would be like a low effort. Well, it's time to beat this level. I need to beat this level. Because if I die, I'm gonna be sad, alright? I need to beat this challenge. I may be not sad, but yeah, I just wanna beat the challenge. Well, it's time. Okay, climb the ladder. Oh, get that easy button. Another easy button. Easy. Well, why do I feel toxic? Okay. Oh, no, please don't mess up in the same spot again. Boom, bam. And then another easy button. Let's go. Okay. Do the same thing as the second button. But yup. Okay, this is gonna be another easy button. Okay. Another easy button, just like usual. Okay, now the last button, and then I'm out of here. Alright? So am I gonna mess up? Oh, thank God I never mess up. Oh, please, bruh, why? Wait, I survived. Wait, but I'm not gonna have enough time. Well, I'm in a danger zone. Oh no, this is my last life. If I die, I lose this challenge. I really need to. By the way, I'm gonna just talk to the guide. Because why not? Well, that's just okay. And then on extreme mode, really useless. Okay, let's go again. Let's go. Hee. I'ma do this. Okay, I'ma just sing. Just beat it. I am destroying this little piece of trash because it's a hard level. We're here again. Well, I hope you like that my singing. I mean, I don't really care if you hate it, but it's still fine, all right? But okay, let's go. Okay. Open the door. I'm in a rush. Help me. Yes, go. Okay, easy. Boom. I wonder why I think they just made it harder for like the ladders as well, for the buttons. All just for spawning things with the buttons. Well, oh yeah. Okay, that was easy. That was totally easy. Yes. Why am I acting like this? Come on. This must be an easy jump. Oh, no. Please do not mess up. Yeah. Easy. Do you think I'm gonna clutch? Because I genuinely think I'm gonna clutch, alright? Whoa, I ain't drowning today. I ain't dying today, right? Wait, I just died like 4 times. Why am I saying that? Oh, no. I messed up. No, please, I don't want to get consumed like I'm gonna get consumed by queso. Whoa. Okay, let's go. The water is so high, it can literally touch my toes. It's so close to touching my toes. Oh my god, buddy. Come on, I must unleash my luck. Because why not? Oh, I was about to go back. That was a dumb decision. But too bad, too sad, I never didn't. Well, this is an easy game. Let's go! Finally, after like 4 attempts. Okay, now it's time to do it again. Boppity bop, bop beep, boppity bop, bop beep, dappity bop, deep dappity dap. No, not room 2, This is gonna be a little bit harder. Oh, yeah, I might need to do meditation. Okay, it's time to get this challenge completed. Let's go. Okay, easy button. Okay, let's just walk across this path and north. Ay. Let's go. Oh. Come, what do I do? Yeah, just jump off. Just spam jump now. Oh, that was easy. That was too easy. Too easy. Ay. Come on. I can do this. Do not fail. Oh, no, I failed. Ay. Oh no, this is risky. This is really risky. This is actually really risky. Oh, let's go. Another button. Okay, that was actually risky though. That was not easy. Oh, no. Why do I have to go inside the water? Nah, I'm dead. No, I lost the challenge. Why? But I hope you really enjoyed this video, alright? So, have a nice day. See ya!